hell. Yeah.
The Blue Angels taxi in tight formation, just as you will see them perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has been a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 73 years ago. 14 officers and 120 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron. Pilots 1 through 4 fly in the Diamond formation, displaying the precision flying required of Navy and Marine Corps aviators, while pilots 5 and 6 perform in solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I'm Lieutenant Commander Terry Rickoff from Atlanta, Georgia, Blue Angel number 7 and the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for key influencers and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Commander Adam Carrick from Starksville, Pennsylvania, is the squadron's naval flight officer and event coordinator. Commander Matt Catholic from the Woodlands.
Check your Stop right now. It's fired up for the Lone Star State. Welcome. Now to the left. Captain Doyle calls. Smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. Captain Doyle calls for the deselection of afterburner. Pulling through the horizon, you will roll the formation 180 degrees to the upright position, completing a half-cubic angle. As the Diamond accelerates in the descent, they'll acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver. The Diamond will experience up to 4 times the force of gravity as they complete this looping maneuver. To the right, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel 6 executes a precise low transition and pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity.
know.
The Blue Angel Diamond will momentarily be making its approach from the right. In relatively slow speed flight, they will give you a close look at the precision flying that produces the 18-inch wingtip to canopy separation between these four aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Blue Angel Diamond. Of weightlessness or ballistic flight, similar to that experienced by astronauts in space, will now be felt by the two solo pilots.
Okay, crisscross.
Approaching center point, Lieutenant Commander Hebler and Lieutenant Commander Webb will roll their aircraft to 90 degrees angle of bank and push forward on the stick as they perform the opposing knife edge pass.
We can be heroes everywhere.